This is Dave Manvolato Odds. It is April 26, 2020. Okay, I'm just going to go over the Pick 3 Trinity lowest winning digit 3-draw box chart. This is the one that you utilize Pick 3 box to choose a Pick 4 box winner. All right, and it's very simple. It's organized by the Pick 3 patterns. And remember, there's only 3 patterns. There's low, low, high, and low, high, high, and low, 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 low in Pick 3, right? I added another low, low, low here because when you're converting from Pick 3 to Pick 4, okay, you could have a low, 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 high, and also a low, 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 low. Okay? So that's how it is organized, very simple. And these are the keys right here. The keys, when you go to the prediction tool, right, for example here, all right, go to the prediction tool. Hold on a second. All right. Go to the prediction tool, all right, down here, and you can isolate. You pick the box, 220 numbers. Remember, right here, you isolate. You could isolate. You isolate, right, the one that you're concentrating on. Okay, usually you'd be concentrating on 2, you'd be concentrating either on 0, 1 or 0, 2. You work them one at a time because they could have different patterns, okay, separately, not 2 at a time because you'll get a wrong reading. All right, and that's how you do that here, okay, and then look here, if you go to the back pair and it was low, low, high, we said, the first one, you remove those, low, high, okay? You got 25 numbers right there. Let's see the chart, and there's your 25, okay? And 25 is converted, right? And if the last number of Pick 4 is going to be a high, right? The high numbers are what? The high numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Low numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? So, there you go. So when you're choosing this pattern here, low, low, high, and you believe the Pick 4 number is going to be a high, of course, you have the choice of 5, 6, 7, or 8, all right? And that translates into all these 125 numbers for this pattern, for this Pick 3 pattern here, okay? Translates into these Pick 4 patterns here, 125, all right? And down here, low, low, high, with the high Pick 4 number, okay? These are the keys for the Pick 3. These are only 25. Yeah, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. It's only 15. I'll correct that. Sorry about that. 15, and I'll correct it on the forum as well. All right, and they produce these 75 Pick 4 numbers. I'm going to show you how this works now. So I picked Florida because Florida has the Pick 4. So when you're studying, you're going to look at Pick 4 when you're doing your pattern research, right? Because you're going to play Pick 4 box, which is obvious. So I'm going to flip this to low-high numbers, right? Because it's a box game and it can win in any order. So it doesn't matter what order you have, you'll still win if you get the number right. Now, the Trinity that came out yesterday, look, a Trinity 016, that's a Trinity number 016, played off of the Trinity number of the 24th of 014. Trinity numbers that I use are just that, the Trinity numbers, these 8 Trinity numbers right there. Okay, these numbers here are from the Trinity 2.0 created by a member who you basically just look for the winners that match these numbers, and then you'll have this Trinity number and you play the lowest 2 winning digits there. I make it simple for myself. I play just with the Trinity, 8 Trinity numbers, and right now we're concentrating on 014 and a 016. So here's a 014, and the 24th came out 0149 with a high-low pattern of low, low, low. That was the Pick 3 low pattern. And then the Pick 4 was the high at the end. As you could see, Pick 4 at the end, the 4th digit, highs tend to dominate. So you're pretty safe to pick a high number at the end. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. All right, so say, for example, you were here. Excuse me, I'll put that up there again. Say, for example, you were right there on the 24th and you saw the Trinity right here. And just for the sake of this practice, we're going to say that you were good at picking patterns and you said, you know what, I think this pattern is going to repeat because I've seen it in the past. When a Trinity comes out, sometimes, about 50% or more may repeat, okay? So I'm going to choose low, low, low. Low, low, low as the next winner. When a 0 or 1 comes out, it's going to have a low, low, low in it. And then I will just have to pick the high for the pick 4 pattern. So if it's low, 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 let's go back to the chart, okay? Let's go to low, 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 okay? Low, 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 right here, okay? And because the high is dominating pick 4, you're going to guess, I'm going to go with the high for the pick 4, for the 4th digit for the pick 4. So you'll have 15 numbers in the pick 3. These are the keys that it produces pick 3, right? When you punch it in the lowest winning digit, and you isolate the 0. And in these are the 75 numbers, pick 4 numbers that are created. Okay, as you can see at the end here, you have 5, you got 6, you got 7, you got 8, and you got 9. Okay, it goes through the whole rows, right? You see them all through there. Now, the next thing you want to do is you don't want to play all these numbers, right? You want to try to reduce them even more logically. So you go back there and you go, okay, let me see what I can reduce. So you add 0149 on the 24th, April 24th, and you look at 9, and the 4th number position came out 999, 3 odds in a row. And then you look down here, okay, you got odd, 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 7, 9, 7, and then flip to even. And you say, you know what, I think this is going to flip to even. Okay, so if you're dealing with high numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what 2 even numbers are you only working with? You're only working with a 6 and an 8, okay? 6 and an 8. Then you go down here and you say, what number did not appear? You got the 9s, you got the 7 here, 2 7s, you got 2 8s and 3 9s. You say, you know what, the 6 is way overdue. Okay, so I'm going to say that the 6 is possibly going to appear here. Okay, so the high for the pick is going to be, for the pick 4 is going to be a 6. So you go back here, and there you go, right there. There's the 6, the 6 line, right? So here's what you play. You play only these 15 numbers for pick 4 box game. And what is the winner? When it came out as 0-1, 0 came here, not the first draw, but the second draw with 0-0-1-6. And where is the winner? This is the row you were playing with the 6. And there is the winner right there. Okay? Very simple. And this goes from 0 to lowest winning digit 0 to 2. I worked it out to 3 and 4, but I removed these so it won't confuse you, and I'll update it on the forum. I updated it on the forum too. I took out 3 and 4. It's still in the today's video I did for the practice video. You'll see 3 and 4 in there, but you don't need that for the Trinity. You're only working with 0, 1, and 2. All right, good luck.